In units, change the meters to centimeters. Change the dimensions of the cube to 2.5 centimeters. Select all the faces from the front view. Deselect the face and delete the remaining faces. Add array modifier. Enter 5 in the count, 10 in the X factor. Duplicate the array modifier. Enter 10 in the Z factor. Apply the modifiers. Apply the scale transform. Select these faces and delete. Select these vertices. Click F. Do as how I am connecting the vertices. Add solidify modifier. Increase the thickness. Add the bevel modifier. Add 2 in the segments. Change the amount. Add weighted normal modifier. Check the faces to see whether they are in the reverse. From the front view, separate the faces. Select all. Combine them by clicking Ctrl J. Apply the modifiers. Modeling is completed. Let's do UV unwrapping in the next video.